lang po sa inyong lahat. Isang malaking karangalan sa akin na i-present ang Babong Sibol or the Emerging Festival Award sa probinsya ng Quezon, ang Nyog-Nyogan Festival.
Mabuhay in behalf of our Governor, Governor Dr. Helen Tan, Vice Governor 3rd Alcala, and the entire Quezon Province, we would like to thank Leaf Awards for this recognition. Hindi po namin inaasahan ito. When we were starting to rebrand Nyog-Nyogan, we are just thinking that it would make our fellow Quezonians proud. Alongside with it, to give honor to our mga magniningyo. But this award is an addition to that. Maraming salamat po para sa Diyos, sa sining at kultura, at sa lahat ng farmers ng lalawigan ng Quezon.
Ngayon naman,